Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Gaggia coffee espresso machine. And let's start by testing the steam. You get nice strong steam. Then I'm going to turn the steam off and I'm going to do a cooling flush. Now we're ready to make a shot of espresso. And this coffee is a little bit old, so we don't get great crema, but the machine's working well now. And if we had fresh coffee, then it would just go. We get great crema. So thank you for watching with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.